Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I request you to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel and click on the notification bell for all latest videos. Friends, I am going to share with you an important information about 7298 posts related to police department and published by Haryana Staff Selection Commission. And according to this notification that have downloaded for the website of Haryana Staff Selection Commission, according to this, you can see the vacancies are divided into three categories. In category 1, there are 5,500 posts for male constable, the general duty. Uh, Under category number 2, you can see 1,100 posts for female constable under general duty. And in category 3, you can see 698 posts for female constable for HAP Durga 1. So these are the uh, posts for no, that is published by Haryana Staff Selection Commission, and the educational qualifications for categories 1, 2 and 3 above are the candidate must have passed 10 plus 2 or its equivalent from a recognized education board institution for all the categories, and second, matric with Hindi or Sanskrit as one of the subject or higher education. Now let's discuss the height for male candidates. In general category, 100 centimeters of height is required, and the chest required is 83 centimeter unexpanded and 87 centimeter expanded. In case of reserved category, height is required 168 centimeters and the chest is 81 centimeter unexpanded and 85 centimeter expanded. In case of female candidates, the height should be 158 centimeter for general category, no requirement for chest, and the height for reserve category are 156 centimeter. So this criteria is for female candidates. Now let's discuss about the age. Minimum 18 years and maximum 25 years are required, and the age will be calculated as on 1 December 2020. There are also age relaxation. You can see it in note 1 and note 2. Pay scale is 21,700 to 69,100, level 3, cell 1. This is the pay scale. And now fee details. Category number 1, 2 and 3. General. Under general category, if you are a male candidate, you have to pay 100 rupees. If you are a female candidate but not related to the resident of Haryana, then you have to pay 100 rupees. If you are the female of Haryana resident only, then you have to pay 50 rupees. Under reserved categories, male candidates should have to pay 25 rupees and female candidates should have to pay 13 rupees. Ex-servicemen of Haryana have not to pay any fee. Now, examination schedule. The examination, either online CBT or OMR based, is likely to be held from 27 March 2021 to 28 March 2021, and the date, time and place of examination will be as per admit card. Selection process. Criteria for selection, examination and syllabus. First one is knowledge test, 80% weightage. All candidates shall have to undergo a knowledge test of 80 marks comprising of objective type multiple choice questions. The knowledge test shall be of the objective type having 100 multiple choice question of 0.80 marks each, and test shall be of 90 minutes duration. There is no negative marking. The medium of examination shall be bilingual, i.e. both in Hindi as well as in English. Second one is physical screening test. The candidates who have qualified in knowledge test shall be put to a physical screening test, which would be only qualifying in nature to judge their physical fitness and endurance. For physical screening test, there is no marks for the physical screening test. You can see it's only for a test, and the candidates should have, in case of male, have to cover 2.5 kilometer in 12 minutes. In case of female candidates, have to cover the test distance of 1 kilometer in 6 minutes, and in case of ex-serviceman candidates, have to cover the test distance 1 kilometer in 5 minutes. After this, you have to go for physical measurement test, PMT. You can see the point number D. The candidates who fail to meet the standards prescribed for physical measurement test shall stand eliminated from further selection process. Now you have to see that there is additional qualification, 10% weightage for additional qualification and 10% weightage for miscellaneous. You must have to read these points, because here you can be clear that how can you get the remaining 20% marks. Point number B, for constable education, maximum 7 marks. Candidates with higher education, i.e. with graduate degree in any stream from a recognized university, shall get 4 marks, while candidate with postgraduate degree in any stream from a recognized university shall get additional 3 marks. And point number C, NCC certificate, maximum 3 marks. Candidates having NCC certificate of A, B or C level shall get 1, 2, 3 marks respectively. Miscellaneous 10% weightage. First 5 marks shall be given if neither the applicant nor any person from among the applicants for the mother, spouse, brother and son was or has been a regular employee in any department, board, corporation, company, statutory body, commission, authority of Government of Haryana or any other state government or Government of India. Second, 5 marks shall be given if the applicant is a widower, the first or the second child and his father had died before attaining the age of 42 years, or third, the first or the second child and his father has died before the applicant has attained the age of 15 years. Third, 5 marks will be given if the applicant belongs to such a denotified tribe, Vimukt Jatis and Taprivas Jati, or nomadic tribe of Haryana, which is neither a scheduled caste nor a backward class. Maximum of 8 marks have been kept for experience as an ad hoc or contract employee, 1 half mark for each year or part thereof exceeding 6 months of experience out of a maximum of 16 years on the same or a higher post in any department, board, corporation, company, statutory body, commission, authority or Government of Haryana. No marks will be awarded for any period less than 6 months. And the important one is, provided that no applicant will be given more than 10 marks under any circumstance of 1 to 4. I have already told about the examination schedule, and the examination is likely to be held from 27 March 2021 to 28 March 2021. This is the information about 7,298 posts from Haryana Staff Selection Commission for police constable posts. Now the applications are going to started from 11 January 2021 to 10 February 2021, and the last date for fee submission is 13 Jan 13 February 2021. So you have to be ready for applying online application on 11 January 2021. And if you are eligible to apply and you want to make your career in police as a in police department as a police constable, you can apply on time. And I have already told you that the online application are invited on 11 January 2021, and the link is I am going to show you. This is the link: http://adv 42020.hryssc.in/static pages/home pages.aspx. So this is the link, and the link will be disabled to 13 February 2021 till 11:59 p.m. You have to fill the online form before 10 February 2021 or till 10 February 2021, and the timing is 11:59 p.m. Okay, you can see the point number 1.1, invitation of application. Okay, so this is the information about the post for 7,298 posts. If you like my videos, please share it to that so that more people get the information and can apply on time. Okay, and again I request you to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and click on the notification bell for all coming videos. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.